Okay, so this is recording number 2 of of the progress I made. I think the previous owner had a new foam put on. As you can see, it doesn't look bad. It's not like falling apart or anything, but it is totally worn down by age. So I can't spend more than maybe 20 minutes on it. Actually, when I sit up on it, I can feel the steel in it. So it's pretty bad. This is the markings from the chain when I lock it down. And this is from the wire. I have a cover over it and put a wire over, so it should have been out by now. It's almost 30 minutes since I took the seat off, so should have been off. Should have been up to normal, but it isn't. So yeah, let's see what this brings us. Hope you'll enjoy it. See ya.